So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to find similar YouTube channels on your mobile phone. So suppose you have seen a video of a channel and you love the video. Now you want to see similar videos like that or similar YouTube channels that so how you can find the similar YouTube channels like a sample channel. So it's very simple. You need to go with a browser and search for view stats in your Google. Then simply open up the first link. And now from here, you need to first search the YouTube channel that you have seen, like Mr. Beast. Alright. So now after searching that, if I want to see similar channels who made similar videos like Mr. Beast, we need to scroll it to the right, and as you can see here are an option called similar channels. You need to tap on that, and as you can see there are similar channels has been shown, so like Brent Riveria and many more available here, so you can watch them all which are close to Mr. Beast. Alright, so that's how you can simply find similar YouTube channels who made similar videos on YouTube while using your mobile phone. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.